downtown Boston right now. The winds are gusting about 65 miles an hour. We have S+ snow, snowing heavily. There's drifts all over the city now. People are getting stuck, including the police, plows. You see the snow is already about 4 foot high, just plowed it up here, just trying to keep the entrances open to the hotel here. Getting ready to check in for the night. But we have huge waves on the coast now. We have tidal flooding. Big tidal flooding is occurring now. It's going to be major tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. during high tide. But looks like Boston may get another 24 inches on the latest computer models. If that happens, then we will smash the all-time record snowfall ever for Boston.